In today's video, we are going to walk you through how to change Cash App password. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorial. First, open your Cash App. Once Cash App loaded, you can see a profile icon right side top corner. Tap on that. And if you scroll down, you can see an option called security and privacy. Tap on that. And you can see an option called change cash pin. Tap on that. So they asking to enter your current password. So I am entering that one. Once it's done, you can enter your new password and confirmation of new password. Once you update the confirmation new password, it successfully changed the password to recently updated one. So that's it, our video, and thank you for watching. Please make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy the video.